Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 21st September 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on this specific video on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for the Nifty for the coming trading session, review my today's trade and share my learning and MTM at the end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. It looks like that Lalagi is ready to bounce. Whether this is trap to catch all the bulls or there is a move towards 17,800 is something which we need to evaluate today. So let's try to understand how the global markets are moving right now. So we see that S&P 500 today opened up in the green, but now is almost losing up all the gains which it had in the morning, but still not able to cross above yesterday's high. So S&P 500 as of now on daily chart is running below 20, below 8 bar and below 50 bar moving average. So definitely not looking in good shape. And on weekly chart, it has almost taken a support on 20 bar moving average and now started moving up. So now 4348, it's looking like a very good support for S&P 500, and let's hope that 4348 is not broken today. But as of now, it is not looking very strong. But at least some sign of stability is seen on this lower level. Now, US government 10 bond yield is continuously going down. So, this is a very good sign for all the equity market. And dollar index is also hovering around 93.2, which is also not so good sign for emerging markets, specifically like India. So with that in background, let's have a look on Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty today has shown a sharp recovery and has taken support on 20 bar moving average, which is at 36,700, and shown a reversal week. This is my engage reversal pattern one, and now it is close above 8 and above 20. So as of now, definitely it is looking in uptrend, and that mainly could be because of HDFC Bank, which has taken a support on its 1533 zone and has started moving up, and another form a week and close above 8 bar moving average. HDFC Bank is clearly consolidating between 1530 and 1583 zone, and let's see how it shapes up from here. But as of now, today it has shown a sign of reversal. Motabai, on other hand, on daily chart has stood by his point and almost form a very sharp doji. Uh, Nothing much to be said here. It looks very unclear exactly at weekly pivot and showing a very equilibrium between bull and bear, but still above 8 and above 20. So Motabai is going to be a game changer tomorrow. So let's see how this is going to play out. So Reliance is not giving any signal. HDFC Bank and Bank Nifty showing some sign of recovery, but dollar index is going down. US government 10 bond yield is coming down as S&P 500 is somewhere getting little stabilized at this island kind of level or at very low level. So very tricky scenario, not any clear signal which we are getting from our market or from this elements. With that in background, let's have a look into our Lalagi. So when we look into Lalagi on weekly chart, what we see here is that Lalagi on weekly chart is now consolidating again between 15,000, 17,300 zone. So today it has taken support on 17,300 and has started moving up, but still above 8 bar. So definitely on weekly chart, it is in uptrend. On daily chart, today it has closed above 8 bar, above 20. So definitely in uptrend. Now it will have a very good support at 17,420, and if 17,420 is gone, then definitely 7,350 is a good support. And on top side, now 17,562 will act as a good resistance. If 17,562 is broken, then the next target is 17,850. But on daily chart, today it is closed above 8 and above 20, so definitely in uptrend. On 15-minute chart, we see that Lalaji today has closed above 8 above 200, above 50, and above 20. So here the direction is absolutely changed as compared to yesterday, and it is definitely an uptrend. Now let's try to confirm this view by looking into market profile. So when you look into market profile, we see that tomorrow's CPR is way above, slightly above today's CPR. So this is a clear-cut sign that the trend is slightly bullish. Now it will all depend on where the market will open tomorrow. As of now, SGX is running at 17,520, and for tomorrow, the pivot is at 17,489. So 17,489 is the pivot, which is also closer to monthly H3. So it's definitely 17,494 or 17,490, which is also closer to 250 bar moving average, will act as a very good support for Lalagi tomorrow. So for option 1, if the market is opening above pivot, which is at 17,489, then idea is buy on dip either at pivot, which is at 17,489, or at L3, which is at 17,493. So 493 pivot, everything is here. So definitely 17,494, 490 is a very good support. And the second lot can be bought at 17,423. So 17,423 is just between weekly H4 and my blue magical line, and just below 20 bar moving average. So somewhere in this zone. And daily 8 bar moving average is also at 17,465. So 17,465 will act as a very good support. So just below the pivot, around 20 bar moving average. So in this zone of 17,450 to 17,490 is a buying zone tomorrow. If the market is opening above pivot with a stop loss below 17,419, for a target of first target of R1, which is at 17,651, and second target of 17,740. For any reason, if market opens below pivot, which is at 17,489, then it will become sell on rise either at pivot or at H3, which is at 17,631. So that is closer to previous day, today's close, and closer to today's high. So that's the trade plan for tomorrow. Let's see. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Now, for me, the trade plan could be little different. Let's see what happened today. So today we entered the market with a clear understanding that there is a probability that Lalagi will turn around, specifically closer to weekly pivot zone, and I was looking for a reversal pattern here. But idea was to see where the market is opening, and market opened below pivot. So as per trade plan, I shorted my two lot on this bar and this bar, and then market went down. And on this red bar, I somehow changed my stop loss just above 8 bar moving average, because I was seeing that market will turn, and I was not happy with my entry here. Although I entered on this two bar, but my entry was at the bottom of this both the candles, and I got out on this particular 8 bar moving average on this particular week on break even. And then I waited, and when this reversal happened, so this is a reversal engage reversal pattern 1 week, which happened at very critical level, which was weekly pivot, and then I got this confirmation candle and I entered one lot here. Then I tried to enter another lot here. I put some limit order that didn't get executed. So again, at the whole road, this whole wave, I rode with the one lot. Again, this small correction came and I took a second entry on this confirmation bar, and that's how I'm carrying two lots with me home. So these are the orders which I took today. The first two, then stop loss hit, then first Nifty and the second Nifty. So this is my position. So I'm having 100 quantity which I'm carrying home with a profit of 13,000 and average of 17,423. What I will do tomorrow, I'm gonna play 8 bar moving average on daily chart. So I'll gonna keep a stop loss just below 17,464, and I'll see how the market is performing. If it goes seven below any candle below 17,464, I will exit the trade, or I will keep on holding it. And any dip towards pivot, which is at 17,488, I will try to enter again and increase my position for a swing trade for a target of 17,857. So that's going to be my trade plan. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. And learning today, what's that learning today? So today the learning is very interesting. Learning here is how one should I'm always looking forward for an idea to how to maximize my position or increase my position when the trend is going in my direction. One thing which I used to do before is that I will look forward for a small correction and then try to enter. Like when this trend is going up, you see a small consolidation, and when this green bar happens, I try to enter one lot here. But sometimes I miss this. So now the idea is that whenever I want to increase my position, then look forward for a 8 bar moving average crossover to higher moving average. So example, this 8 bar has crossed over this 20. So this is the area. So example, on this bar, green bar, or on this green bar, I should have entered one more lot. And then when this 8 bar moved up and it crossed 250, so somewhere on this green bar, I should enter another lot. So every time a smaller moving average in my trade setup, 8 bar moving average crossing 20, then 50, and then 200 are the sweet spot to increase the position. So that's a great learning today which I have. And I hope I should get more opportunities like this. So let's see what is in store for us, where Lalagi is going towards 17,850 or it's getting into consolidation. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. It's your like, comment, which motivates me to come and make this video on daily basis. Stay healthy, wear a mask. Jai Hind.